Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is at par, P-A-R. Par value, a long time ago when securities were printed in paper form, the value of that security was printed right on the face. It was called the par value. Now the par value is static, it doesn't change. So if you issue a bond, say $1,000 per bond, the par value could be $1,000. But the market value can change by the market trading up or down because of interest rates. Interest rates go higher, your bond could be worth less money because it has a lower interest rate. But the par or face value is the fixed amount that security was issued at. Today's word is at par or par value.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.